हेलो बच्चों, टुडे आई विल स्टार्ट चैप्टर नंबर 12 हेरोन्स फार्मूला. In this formula we will learn how to calculate area of a given triangle. In the previous classes we know area of triangle is calculated as by the formula 1/2 into base into height. Suppose this is your triangle A, B, C. Base is called the horizontal line. This is called base BC. BC is the base in this case. And this vertical height from the vertex. Suppose this is point D, then height is equal to AD. This formula can also be expressed as 1/2 into base BC into height AD. This is the basic formula of calculating area of a triangle. But in this chapter we will learn Heron's formula. For the sake of learning this, let us take the triangle ABC. In this diagram you have to learn side opposite to vertex A represented by small letter A. This is vertex A denoted by capital letter, and side opposite to this vertex is denoted by small letter A. Side opposite to vertex B, this is denoted by B small letter, and this by C. It does mean sides of the triangles are represented by ABC. Then you can write let sides be A, B, C. Then there is a quantity S. S is called the semi-perimeter. Perimeter means total sum of all the sides, and semi means half. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. This is the formula calculating for this quantity S. Now the area, according to Heron's formula, you will have to learn this under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. In this way you can calculate two things. One is this and second is this. For calculating area with the help of Heron's formula, you will have to find S, and then by putting find this formula values you can calculate. Let us take an example. Suppose just example I am taking one. A is equal to 17 has been given, B is equal to 8 and C is equal to 15. These are the sides of any triangle. Whatever the triangle is, you will have to calculate S. S means 17 plus 8 plus 15 upon 2. This quantity you will calculate it as 20. After addition you will divide it by 2, you will get 20. Now putting the values, area is equal to under root 20 S, 20 minus 17, that is S minus A, 20 minus 8, that is S minus B, and 20 minus 15, that is S minus C. Now simply calculate this. 20 into 17, 3, it is 12, it is 5. Whatever you are calculating, you just factorize this quantity. This is 2, 2s are 4, 5s are 20, it is 3. It is 3, 2s are 6, 2s are 12 into 5. During calculating the square root, 2 pairs are counted as 1. Number of 2 are 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 2 times 2 you will write. Number of 3s are 2, that is single 2, 3 will be written. 5 are 2, that is 1, 5. It means out of the pair only one digit is written after taking square root. It is coming 60, calculation 60 centimeter square. In this way you will have to calculate the formula. Whatever the question has been given, whatever the diagram of the shape of the triangle, doesn't matter. This formula holds good and it will solve. For the understanding concept, you can also solve the examples of the exercise and exercise 12A. Your homework today is exercise 12A. Whatever you could solve, you should. And some of the questions I will take live classes on Google Meet later on. I will discuss technical questions there. For the sake of understanding concepts, you Watch this video and understand and solve the questions. Thank you.